Entertainment and a day here with.
What are my people? Okay, so I'm meeting me for the first time. I go by the name MC Ban, so the combination of comedy is Royal Talkative Online
Zaddy. Yes, so we don't day here for another segment of entertainment creep. Today, another thing we'll talk about. We'll talk about different voice TV. And now, na person where they talk true. Wait till the woman talk. Now one woman we are named Adebimpe, and she know they live for Nigeria, she dey abroad. Now she come and call Iyabo Ojo pe come. Stop to dey deceive our girls. Stop to dey sell them to big men waiting for Ikoyi, Lekki, Banana Island. Which other place again? Magodo. Good. So she come and come to say now all the things una dey do be that so una go dey carry motor, dey buy new motor. They shwam
big motor.
Big motor.
Yeah, wow.
This one don't run by your own. Boom, shwam. You could don't say now she go to say that one go open her house now. One of her house where she just open. He say all this is where you don't they do. Which year you work last? Say she look into all the videos. Say now like 4 years ago. Now Iyabo Ojo work. Where you can't they see money? They do all these things where you they do. Say now lie yo. Say you dey go sleep with they do ashewo. They do ashewo. You dey pimp girls. Different kind things now you dey do where you dey take me money. Say make you know they let and make sure they let other girls come they look where people where they work hard. We all long gba won le mi no mara. So where down saying pe èmi náà fẹ́ wá.
Èmi náà fẹ́ wá range o.
Dangote. So they say see Iyabo Ojo she no get past one head now. Why I won't take be like that? So what you get to talk before I continue?
You see, in this entertainment industry, like most especially Nollywood, the people who see they really work, we see they make Nollywood this standard for this country. Them say they don't see money. That's why most of them will just say they get one kind of disease, they die, they sick, they die. But all those poor people will say they just start about all maybe how many years ago. Young ladies, before you know, first year, second year, Range Rover 2022. This one back, build house. How? Not be the same hustle way now they hustle. Now those people say they hustle. So please, me I don't know, say something is fishy among all of them. And they know they support themselves.
They know you support wetin. They do say na me big pass, I mean my own big pass your own.
God bless you. Now wetin that they do be that. Once one of them don dey inside one kind problem, na them when they say no, now so you must go. They will push am. See that person must go true. So all those Nollywood, all those girls, they do something. You they talk say that's how they do. Now they don't upgrade them. If they call us how they be like so call her hook up or Rose girl.
No, Rose girl no they
hook up. Now most of them they do now. So most especially people who are go blame now men. I
won't blame me.
Now men no. You know say if nights don't reach, all those people say that they live, that they do night life, go out. How you go to tell me say hook up girls, hook up for just your time? You go to collect 20,000, 30,000. What? That man dey there. No, we need to talk. Men, you get wife house. I don't work.
The way they talk like this, Yahoo guy just get money, jam money. You know go spend any.
Why go spend any? You no get plan.
Na part of the plan be that.
No, who come get na your plan? But they go just call girl. Hello, baby. How much do you collect per night? Per night to now go say 500,000. How much they marry mama?
Na your mama be that.
They marry a fool. He born like 4 pikin. For my person who say we just call. If like me, we will collect 10,000 naira.
You know what this day make they laugh? I go one place which day. Now I see those guys. One of them, I know, they do all those type of job. Now they say, I don't meet that particular one. Where do they see? They got to say him meet one girl. The girl fine die. Say got to say I want to go marry this girl. Your wife don't go now. Your wife na South African woman. Say go marry this girl. Now him come carry this girl, come give her 190K. Give her one, say make you go market, go buy sauce for kitchen. Or then when the girl come, they show me all the things she buy. Say she buy some spoons. Or she be new. She buy how many? He buy like say 9 packs of spaghetti. He buy 1 carton of Indomie. He buy
This one 190.
You buy plastic. You buy semo, one small pack like that. Just show me all this is where you buy for 190k.
190k. They buy one pack of Indomie.
I talk and say,
You open warehouse, so they sell Indomie 190k.
You just buy one pack. Just show all the things where she buy sponge, plenty sponge where they go use. I'm for about kuni. You buy them. How come they look and say, well, this guy na G guy too.
Okay.
So Muna too just dey spend na money go.
Abi.
Na the same thing wey be say all this Iyabo Ojo and everything.
They do.
They arrange you over everything.
Them they just be like celebrity hookup girl.
You can imagine.
So their money go come.
Where their mama, they say their own mama, like all this their mama.
Rainbow,
all those ones. Sola Sobowale. Say up till now they buy that kind big motor. Yeah, because you know all this Ikoyi guys, they don't want those mama again.
They don't want them again.
But
those mama say the package well.
They go want them.
Nah, forget it.
You know, all the thing can't pain you, so she can't write for English. You say all you actresses in Nigeria, you say you are thieves, oleni, prostitutes. Prostitute. Only shino. Prostitute, useless, evil, turning yourself into Madam Brotels. You say they entice our young girls, they deceive the world with new houses and new vehicles. Is it from your acting you make all that money? Is it not from selling and pimping these girls to big men in Ikoyi and Lekki clubs that you acquire all your houses? Especially you, Iyabo Ojo, they don't call your name. Say now you this today your body too much. Say which work are you doing that is funding your lavish lifestyle? Your last feature in any movie was probably 4 years ago, but now recently showed off new house in Turkey.
In Turkey?
Turkey, what's it called?
Nigeria.
They go help us. These young girls are straight. People work at like Yawero, Mama Rainbow, and all those ones. You say all those ones. He said don't live lavishly like you. But if it's by hard work, they want they for don't fall far. They for don't they build 10 houses, you know. And again, what you call they surprise me? Say you know, say the guys know they buy motor like the ladies.
Abi.
You know, think.
You get one girl. We say I don't want to mention her name. She get recently she buy Range Rover. No, Land Cruiser, the latest one.
Jesus.
Which year we know you?
Motto
of like 70 million.
Then you say all these girls too, they do jazz.
Please, may I tell you something? Please, all girls out there, please. I beg, no, they look social media, say this girl is doing
you
well.
You don't go get depressed.
You'll die. You'll die. Please, no, they look like that. Most of all, now fake life. We are used to it.
Fake it till you make it.
Oh, if you fake carry some level, you know say you get where you go lie reach, you go dey believe your own lie.
You see that? But you know you don't lie before.
I'm a lion. I lie. So now say please no just dey all this abeg actress actors.
I'm not that they show the guys. No, make them not show them. When they come to the rescue. When a few open businesses and you know make the guys too they flourish. Only the girls to come they shake body. The guys will be shake more shame. You know. Why it go be
like that? May God go bless all of us. We don't know what to Nate they do for under. But we know say one day.
Soap dey
there. Breeze will blow. I will see the foul yash.
I read. All right, today say bye from this side.